on trend requires creativity. Today's look is a modern take on a classic bun. It's effortlessly chic.
This is a chic daily look. The secret to getting a big bun is to play around with two ponytails. Start by pulling the top of the hair into a low side ponytail, then secure with a clear elastic. Fasten the rest of the hair into a second ponytail and position right below the first. Don't hesitate to tidy the top of your hair if needed. As Sasha would say, back combing is absolutely crucial to add dramatic volume to your hair. Then, finger comb the ends together to create one main ponytail. Wrap the hair around the base and tease as you desire. You can keep it simple or push the messy aspect as far as you like it. To add an elegant twist to a messy bun, curl one strand in the front using your mini straightener. And that's it! Getting a chic look has never been so quick and easy.